Hi, this is Arin, and today I'm going to show you one of SQL best practices, which is about filtering data in inner join and outer join and reviewing different scenarios. So let's begin. In this query, there is a specific employee who has the highest order amount, but some customers never place an order with her. The query wants from us to show the customers. So look at diagram first between two tables, customers and orders. The cardinality is one to many and we should join two tables together, obviously left outer join. And the query expectation result is like this table, which has 16 rows. If you look at nulls, we understand that result seems left join without inner join. At first, you maybe think to write query like this, where all the predicates in where clause. Now, see the result. The result hasn't got any rows. But why? Now for simplifying query, I'm going to ignore customer ID is null predicate. First I write employee ID equal 4 in on clause, which is left query, and next one is in where clause, which is right query. Look at the results. Difference of two tables are 16 rows. So we can find out that we should go with left join and delete inner join. Let's find out what is differences of filtering in where clause versus on clause. In previous slide, we saw that in both queries, inner join is applied. So golden rule number 1. In the inner join, there is no difference between filter in on clause versus where clause. But in outer join, it's completely different. When you write predicate in on clause, it's not final filtering. It's kind of limitation. When you write in where clause, it's final filter for presentation. Remind that order of clause process in SQL like below: 1 from, 2 where, 3 group by, 4 having, 5 select, and 6 order by. So it's clear that filtering from clause apply first, then in where clause apply. Let's back to our simplified query. First, I run the query without any filter. Look at the customers and orders join result. So we can conclude that all the customers have orders. So when filter is applied in where clause, SQL run the query like this in background. First run query without filter, and then filter rows by where clause. As we observe, because there isn't any row with null, the filter is applied just for orders which employee ID equal 4. But for next query, it will run like this. First, run the query without filter, and because employee ID equal 4 in on clause, so join try to match the rows from two tables. Then, as we've already known, that there are 16 customers which never placed an order with employee number 4, in result, we will have name of customers who placed an order with employee number 4, and null for customers who never place an order with her from order table. And since we have left outer join, we will have all the customers' name from customer table. So back to our main query. We've already understand the differences between them, and we know that we should choose predicate in on clause to have customers who placed an order with employee number 4 and customers who never placed an order. Now we need to apply our filter customer ID is null to eliminate customers who have placed an order with her. Thanks for watching this video. I hope the topic is useful for you. If you like it, follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe me on YouTube and wait for my next videos.